Hi, my name's Chris. I'm an Air Force veteran police officer, and currently working as a security analyst. My vehicle is a 2005 Toyota 4Runner. It's got approximately 300,000 miles on it and still running strong. For the last 5 years, I've been trying to build the truck of my dreams, and there's certain components that obviously I want to upgrade. I really needed upper control arms. I wanted to fit 33-inch tires. I learned about JBA Offroad really just by doing research. A couple of people have put product reviews on YouTube, and some of the features that those content creators listed and showed happened to be exactly what I was looking for. JBA control arms, first of all, they're beautiful. The red powder coating looks really nice. The high caster on these upper control arms push the tire forward enough to keep it off of the rear of the fender well. And the durability is obviously far superior to the stock upper control arms. Ultimately, it's the reviews that pushed me to purchase. But what allowed me to purchase was the price point. There are some out there that cost 2-3 times as much, that offer less features. The ball joints are not press fit in. Ball joint is a replaceable and serviceable component. Having the Zerk fittings, there's 3 on each upper control arm, and the ease of serviceability, being able to grease them myself, only takes 10 minutes once every 3 months. I have no doubt in my mind that they're just going to last. And when you spend this kind of money on something that is so personal as your vehicle, that's very important to me. Because this isn't just a toy, this is my daily driver. It's part of my livelihood.